Hi, I'm Brad Feldhouse with the Ram Real Estate Group here at Coldwell Banker, and today we are at 8122 Catfish Court, located in Brookville, Indiana, and we're just a short drive to Brookville Lake. This is an amazing community, and on the inside of this home today, we have 5 bedrooms, 3 full baths, some amazing hardwood floors, updated bathrooms. It's been freshly painted, and an awesome layout. On the upstairs, we have a little hidden feature for you guys. It's an amazing loft. Let's go in and check it out. Thank you guys for coming out and checking out this amazing home with us today, guys. I hope you enjoyed that Rockstar entertainment area in the basement and this amazing area outside. We have a hot tub, patio, fire pit, above ground pool, deck. If you want more information, please feel free to reach out, 513-828-9880. Have a great day, guys.